all around the world. Stiebel Eltron is an advocate of electrical and highly efficient green technology solutions for domestic hot water, heating, ventilation and cooling.
As such, our company is an important driver of the energy transition and climate protection, in particular when it comes to heating technology based on renewable energies, entirely without oil or gas. Our heat pumps use green electricity for heating, cooling, and hot water. Because we really listen to our customers, our products make life easier for our installers, can be integrated seamlessly into the value creation processes of house manufacturers and the housing sector, and always provide end users at home with more convenience and benefit than they might expect from us, and do so reliably for many years. In 1924, Dr. Theodor Stiebel's coil immersion heater provided the solution to heating water quickly, cleanly, and conveniently. Since then, we have become the global market leader in efficient domestic hot water heating and one of the largest suppliers of heat pump technology.
Way back in the oil crisis of the 70s, Stiebel Eltron began producing its heat pumps and solar collectors. Ever since then, the company has been regarded as a pioneer with passion, with a commitment to sustainability. The energy to change things is simply part of Stiebel Eltron's DNA.
Today, we work closely with universities and research institutes to constantly improve our products and to continuously optimize our own development methods. After all, the one thing that unites our colleagues worldwide is we do not get complacent once we have achieved our goals.
Stiebel Eltron sets benchmarks. Since its foundation, the company has filed hundreds of patent applications and utility models. This commitment to innovation can be found in every product today, down to the last detail. It is precisely this attitude that gives Stiebel Eltron the edge in the market.
We believe that you only become a technology leader if you use advanced manufacturing processes. It's our exceptionally high vertical range of manufacture, strict quality controls, and far-reaching level of automation that make our products so durable.
Quality isn't a matter of chance, but the result of utmost precision. Stiebel Eltron puts all new products through their paces in field tests. The experience gained is continuously incorporated into the development process. Everyone at Stiebel Eltron, all around the world, thrives on this high level of quality. Because Stiebel people are always driven by conviction in the best sense of the word.
Today, we are active and successful in over 120 countries. Our advantage? We know the markets. This enables us to think and act with foresight in order to develop products and solutions precisely suited to the needs of local people.
Global flagship projects provide Stiebel Eltron with important stimuli for the requirements of different building types. Only in this way can the company offer its partners in the market tailored solutions for their various projects, with one goal: to create homes in which people feel a sense of well-being.
Our success and our clear focus on green tech are shaped by our identity as a self-sufficient, medium-sized, family-owned business. In times of entrepreneurial growth and great global challenges in particular, these roots give us our stability.
Since 1924, Stiebel Eltron's success has been based on long-term orientation and sustainable business practices. A culture of smart decisions works particularly well with strong, experienced teams.
We set the course for sustainable well-being early on, because we are aware that the challenges brought about by the shift to heating with renewables are rapidly changing our lives and our homes. At Stiebel Eltron, we bear our share of responsibility for future generations.
Es geht viel.
There's much to consider. Sustainable technology that creates green prospects for our blue planet.
Zukunft schafft.
And the amazing people at Stiebel Eltron, who put their efforts, expertise and passion into work to ensure our well-being in sustainable homes every day. At Stiebel Eltron, we invest all our energy and passion every day around the world.
100 years of innovation. And that is just the beginning.